Are you coming up? Come on. Come on. You coming? Where are you going? Come on, here. Come on, look. Here you go. Here. You coming up? We got more. Come on. That's the fellow with the bad eye. I got my swing up. Put it up today. I'm going to hang this out of the road because I keep whacking my head on it. I'll stick it up here for now. There. And we had heavy rain. Oh my God, it was heavy. It woke me up this morning. It was that bad on that steel roof with the high winds. There he is. This is a fella. He had a couple of whole hot dogs. You gonna have one? Come on. There you go. Look at that. Yeah, he was eating dry food there earlier, so it's cold again tonight. Gosh, 40 Fahrenheit. I don't know if he's just got cold in his eye. That might be it too, you know. I seen the cats get that when we had the stray cats out here. So I put the swing up and I got the canopy on it and it's ready to go, and the cushions for it are downstairs. There you go, look. Cushions for it are downstairs. Last night I went to Halifax. I went to, I stopped at the big Scotiabank Cinemas and went to see Father Stu. What a good movie that is, the true story about this priest. And anyway, I won't give the plot away, but it's a very good story, kind of a tearjerker. And anyway, I had to stop at Costco to pick up cat food for my friend Tracy that ran the cat shelter where Connor and Charlotte came from. So I took 3 bags of cat food down to her, and that was in Herring Cove. And then when that was over, I went to meet with the group called Broken Bridge, and it's Chris Margison and Mandy Kelly. So I got to take pictures of them. I'm going to put one of their videos on to see if it'll, you know, I'm not going to monetize it because it's their video, and not only that, you get into the problems with copyright and all that stuff. So anyway, I never heard back from YouTube what they're going to do with my copyright. It's still in escrow. Like once they settle it, I'll get the money for it. But it said it takes up to 29 days to get it settled. So, but the person that did the claim said he didn't do the claim on it, so I guess we're going to have to wait till the rest come out. I think that's what's going to happen. Yeah. So that's what we'll do. We'll do another video. We'll close this off for now. Get that ball. Get that ball. There you go. There you go. You'll never be as good as Connor. Nope. I bought that thing on the island 3 years ago, and this is the first time she's ever played with it. Connor's the one that spins it. If you look up on my YouTube channel and look up Turbo Champion, and you'll see it, the video that he done. Yes, he was good, wasn't he? Yeah, you were not impressed. No. I'm waiting for 2 meat pies to cook there. And it's 9:45. I haven't eaten yet. So, and Mr. Connor's in here.
Look at Jenna. Have you seen her? No.
There's the boy.
You're looking for Jenna? Yes. I'm trying to.
Are you Connor? Are you a Connor cat?
They're coming back.
Are you a Connor cat?
She went on break and never
Are
came
ya?
back. I need to see your security footage, and I need reliable employees.
You good boy?
Listen to me, whoever you are.
Are you a good boy? In your chair? Yes. He's in his chair. I put the blanket on the couch so that
I don't know how to operate the system.
you wouldn't get hair all over. Yes, you get hair all over everything. You gonna have something to eat? You coming out? You gonna have something to eat? What are you gonna have? I just fed you. Look what she's doing. She's playing ball. She's playing ball. Yes, she is. He said, I'll show you how to do it. What you Connor? Huh? You'll show her how to do it. So, I had one raccoon there. Well, there's one out there now. I think these fellows are right skittish because when I opened the door I lost, see? They're the wild ones. Yeah, they run down. Yeah, if I open the door, see, look? They're not mine. Yeah, mine got sense to stay out of the rain. Yeah, if I just crack the door, see? Maybe he won't. Throw a hot dog out there. No. See if he'll go get it. Oh, there's another one coming. They're all the wild people. The wild people. Yeah, they won't let me out there. Will ya? Yeah, well, as soon as I crack the door. Yeah, they're ready to run, see? And that's what they do. And that's what they do, they run. So, we're doing a little bit of cats and raccoons in the middle here. And the sign's on. So, Angie signed. I was talking to Angie just a little while ago on face-to-face on Facebook. So she just moved into a new house. And there's Mr. Connor. What you doing up there, bud? What? Oh, you're waiting for my meat pie, aren't you? Oh, yeah, I'm going to eat that. I'll eat that, Daddy. He's got to go in and get his mats off. So I'm going to call the vet first thing tomorrow. Oh, he's coming back again. Want another hot dog? Here. That's what the wild ones do with the grit. They take the hot dogs and run. Yeah. Now, if I wasn't at the door, they would stay and eat all that dry food. Okay, we'll wait till my other ones come. It's 9:45, so they might be here later. We'll see. Well, my poor raccoons are all mixed up with this heavy cold weather and rain, so looks like it's a bust tonight. And I just went out there for a few minutes to see how they were doing. They're eating the hot dogs they put out. And look at this. Why are you in my chair? You're supposed to be over in that one. Connor? Connor, get out. Come on. Move. Connor. Why are you in my chair? Huh? Why are you in my chair? Are you a bad boy? I had a meat pie and it's from Montana's. You can buy the boxes. There's 2 meat pies in the box. Anyway, guess what? He likes meat pies. So his belly is full. Isn't it? Yes, it is. Yeah. Going to sleep. Well, there's my chair gone. Oh my. See how these fellas are doing. I put some more hot dogs out. They're eating them all. Well, they're all gone again, the raccoons. Yeah, can't keep track of them. Oh well. We'll put the 2 videos I got there together and then we'll slap her up on the internet.